Hi, you've heard Guy Cook say that the Vivaldi browser is the one you ought to try, and I want to kind of enhance that with this link that I've got as the show notes, the GuyRCookReport.podbean.com. Vivaldi browser tips and tricks. That's right. I've got a list of, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4. There's 10 of them in the list. It's from WindowsClub.com. And their post has got all of the shorthand written up in the table of contents, and then each tip is explained in detail in the post. Okay, so you're not going to be going in there going, well, they think you should set up schedule of the themes, but they're not telling you how to do it. Well, they do tell you how to do it. And so I want you to take a minute and take a look, okay? I want to thank all the time that you've devoted to this episode of the Guy R. Cook Report. I hope that link helps you out in some way. Thanks to the patrons that support this effort. It's a wrap. And this is how you get in touch with yours truly, Guy R. Cook. There's the GuyRCookReport.com, and there's a contact form if you go to GuyRCook.com, just like it shows in text there. Or you can call my new cell phone number, 509-200-1429. I look forward to talking to you.